Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In a recent interview leading up to the Olympics, Johan Blake stated that Jamaicans only support their athletes when they're winning. Do you agree with that statement? Let's talk about it.
And what this year means to you. I know you announced it was going to be your final Olympics try, so I just want to know where your head is at.
This brings back memory. Give God thanks, I'm kind of injury free today. Back with the memories that I cast here in 2012. My head is all over the place right now because what I wanted to do at Jamaican trials I didn't get to do. I did want to run my final Olympics, I didn't get to. But the journey continues same way. It's definitely it would be my final Olympics. As I said, my own country Jamaica doesn't give me the respect, and I'm happy they don't, because other people outside do, and they appreciate me more than my own country. So I'm happy that I'm be able to crown elsewhere apart from Jamaica. So I'm just looking to continue doing what I'm doing until I'm happy to step away when it's time.
I hear you, and that's a shame. Has that been something that's been the case throughout your whole career?
Yeah, Jamaica love winners, and once you're not winning, they're not supporting you. But I don't need their support. I have my own support staff, I have my own support team. I'm myself motivator. This season has been rough, tell you the truth. I've been battling with a lot of injuries. Just fighting the fight because I know to get up. I know that I have tread on the wheel same way, because when I look in the race and I see where myself at and I know what is causing my problem, I'm not afraid, so I just keep on working.
Could you give us a little bit of an insight as to what kind of injuries and stuff that you've been battling with, if you're comfortable talking about that?
Yeah, definitely my back has been bothering me. I can't get up and sprint. I have some old injuries. My muscle came off my bone, so I've been when I get my first major injury, a rupture. So I've been battling with my leg hamstring as well. So it's been a fight this season. But people looking from the outside don't know what's going on the inside. So I'll just have to let them talk, and I know that I have a lot of tread on the wheel same way. So I'm still spinning. I've been knocked down so many times, and I know how it feels to stand up. And sometimes God give you a battle, a uphill task that sometimes you yourself seems like you can't fight, but you have to fight. And then probably this is not my season, probably next season even a better season. So I know what I can do. I've felt it in training. I felt it, and I know it's there. It's just for me to do it.
I love that. Thank you so much.
So watching that video, Johan Blake is explaining in the video that he has a support system and it doesn't really affect him that he's not getting the support from his own country. And I know he's saying that, but you can see his facial expression that it is affecting him. And it is very sad, because Johan Blake, born any other period, would have been the fastest man in the world at some point. So it is just a bit unfortunate that what are the odds that Johan Blake, Usain Bolt, and Asafa Powell were born in the same era. The three of the top times in the world were competing against each other as Jamaicans, because any other time, any of those three guys would have been the fastest man in the world, whether it's Johan Blake, Asafa Powell, Usain Bolt. So it is just a bit of a bad luck on their side that they're born in the same era with Usain Bolt. But and the thing is, it's not the first time. We have seen this with Merlene Ottey. Merlene Ottey was running for Jamaica from in the 1970s until she had to leave, I think 2000, the year 2000, early 2000s, and she went to represent another country in Slovenia. I think she ran for Slovenia. So Johan Blake is not the first Jamaican Olympian that have been disappointed with the support from Jamaica. And I don't know, because if Johan Blake, for example, decided that, okay, I'm going to run for the USA, or I'm going to run for a Trinidad or any other country, I believe that he would have say for example, like if he had decided that, okay, I'm going to represent Trinidad, he would have probably had a statue in Trinidad. But as I said, competing with Asafa Powell and Usain Bolt just seemed to put this dark cloud over him, and he has never really gotten the respect from Jamaicans, and that's the reality. And to a lesser extent, I believe that Asafa Powell went through the same thing, but Asafa Powell seemed to have taken it, you know, not so hard. I know Johan Blake have went through a lot more injuries than Asafa Powell, so that might have been one of the reasons that contributed to him not competing so well or doing so well, you know. And as I said, most Jamaicans really believe that Usain Bolt kind of, you know, have a dark cloud over them with his success, like Jamaicans. And as he said in that interview, that Jamaicans only like winners. So as soon as Usain Bolt came onto the scene, everyone forgot about Asafa Powell. Johan Blake came on the scene and he didn't get the attention that he really needed. So guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you feel about the statement from Johan Blake? Do you think it's an accurate statement that he did not really get the support from Jamaicans? And just sound off in the comment section and let me know what you think about this. And I believe that it would be so amazing if Johan Blake could show up to the Olympic and could win. Wouldn't it be awesome, like if he could win the 100-meter over Noah Lyles? I know it's a far stretch because he's a bit older now, like he's sporting some injury, but that would be the icing on the cake, you know, for his career. And I wonder if Jamaicans would start celebrating him the way that he really should be celebrated. So let me know in the comment section, is he correct with his take that, you know, Jamaicans don't really support you unless you're winning? Let me know. And guys, remember to like, share and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.